As I was just about setting up my phone to record this video, NEPA took lights. I had to come outside though before he will finish me inside that room. Good morning from Lagos, Nigeria. Hi guys, good morning. It's my first full day in Lagos. I just woke up actually. It's like past 8-ish to 9 thereabout, I'm not sure. So yeah, I'm excited. Luckily I'll be staying longer than I planned, so hopefully I'll be able to get a bit of content. Like I'll be able to put together a Lagos vlog. Yeah, I think it rained last night because I'm coming out now. I'm just saying that the floor is wet, so we're up to a good start. It feels really good. Like, I'm happy. Anyway, so today I think I'm going to have a chill day today. I'm just gonna chill. I need to do my makeup and take pictures for a thumbnail. So I'll do that, and yeah, I think that's the only thing I have to do. I don't know if anything else will come up, but if it does, I will definitely update you guys. And yeah, let's get our day started. Hey guys, so I'm about to. I touch my face a lot. You know, vlogging has made me realize I actually do touch my face a lot. So I'm currently inside the room and I'm about to sort out my luggage because I might be sending it by road just to reduce excess luggage at the airport. Because yeah, the cheapest that I gave you. Just to reduce excess luggage at the airport because I don't want to start overpaying for stuff. So I'm going to sort out my luggage, pick out what I'm going to be using, and leave that, and then send the other ones. I don't know where to start. Look at you sneaking inside.
Hi, my beloved fans. I love you.
Okay. Tell them your name.
Huh?
Say your name. What's your
My
name?
name is Genju.
Your name is what?
Genju.
Yo, my name is J-Boy. Yeah. I just want to say, check out the Lucas and Marcus channel. Thank you.
They
cannot even understand what they're saying.
So my name is Amanda. They are videoing you. They are videoing you.
Amanda.
My name is not Kendra. My name is G-A.
There's nothing we can do.
Java. My name is Java. My name is
A. Amanda.
Java.
That's not fair.
My name is Java. The G-A-V.
Don't do that.
I do it.
Kendra, stop it.
What?
Stop it.
Move front.
It's a like, but this is the video. Run, run, back, back, run, run, back, back. Yuri, yuri, yeah, yeah. Yuri, yuri, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, why you so wicked?
Yeah.
Hi guys, what's up? So I just took a shower and I'm about to do my makeup so I can take the photos I talked about earlier for the thumbnail. So I'm just going to do that quickly. And yeah, as I was just about setting up my phone to record this video, NEPA took lights. Am I surprised? No, I'm sure you're not surprised either. Okay, so I like to start with skin prep before anything else. My face is freshly washed. I haven't applied anything. So I'm going to start with spraying my face with a toner. This is just rose water that I put in the Maria Budasco container. So I'm just going to spray my face. After spraying my face, I usually like to go in with olive oil and shea butter. But today I will be using this Nivea moisturizer that I got. If you watched my travel prep video, you see where I picked that up at the supermarket. So yeah, I'm going to be using this first impressions and let's see how it goes. I really like the fact that it's lightweight and it absorbs quickly into your skin, and it also has SPF, which is a plus. So yeah, I don't mind it. I think it's pretty good. I'll be using it and we'll see. So I'm just going to, after that I'm going to prime my face with the Rimmel primer. So I'm going to go straight into my brows. I'm probably going to speed this up because I don't want this part of the video to be too long. I had to come outside though before he finished me inside that room. I don't think I'll film the entire process of this because I'm outside. So I'm just going to quickly get it done and then I'll check back with you guys when I'm done with my makeup. The way the sunlight is hitting this bathroom is so mad. You don't see this? I'm feeling myself too much. Hey guys, so Jabal took my picture. Say hi. I'm going to put pictures on the screen so you guys can see them.
I
This is
took your pictures too.
Kendra, won't you say hi? Smile.
I took your pictures too.
Won't you smile? And this is Amanda. Say hi.
Hello. Hi. Get that was the glasses. She wants to cry.
So wear the glasses now. So I'll put you. Won't you say hi? They're doing Shakara for me.
Shakara, baby.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's.
It's like this. Like this. No. Like this. No, wait. Let me show you. Like this. Like this. Like this. You're rushing it. Like this. Like this. And then like this. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Thank you, Mr. Jabbar. What's up, guys? So I just finished eating dinner, lunch stroke dinner. I don't think I'll eat again, and I'm just chilling outside and enjoying the breeze because I can come and chill myself. And yeah, I thought to update you guys, and I'll see you later. I have retired to my chambers, so I have this cold bottle of Pepsi on me, and I'm just going to wash my face and come back, drink this Pepsi while I edit a video. And yeah, that's the end of this vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's